Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in T-Mobile US, full guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in T-Mobile US, start by researching the company. Visit T-Mobile's official website to gather the latest information on its financial performance and growth strategies. Next, review financial news outlets for expert opinions and market analysis related to T-Mobile. Determine your investment goals by considering how much you want to invest and your risk tolerance. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to U.S. stock markets. Complete the account registration process and link a funding source. Once your account is set up, deposit funds for your investment. Search for T-Mobile US stock, which trades under the ticker symbol T-Mobile US. Analyze the stock's current price and historical performance using available market tools. Decide on an investment strategy, such as buying shares outright or utilizing options. Place your order for shares using your brokerage's trading platform. Monitor your investment regularly to track T-Mobile's performance. Stay updated on industry trends and company news to inform your investment decisions. Consider setting a target price at which you might want to sell your shares in the future. Evaluate your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on market conditions or company developments. Educate yourself continuously about investing to enhance your decision-making skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.